Hi squad, welcome people of the internet. In this shared video, let's solve this addition problem. 36 plus 26. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 6 plus 6 equals 12. In the number 12, there are 2 ones, right? 2 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 3 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We need to add 2 more, which gives us 6, right? 6 in the tens place. So 36 plus 26 equals 62. And this is our final answer to this problem. Hit like and subscribe to keep up with new uploads and adventures.